A Publix haul for the week, or Publix heist for the week. I like to call it a heist because they paid me. Yes, this is $85.44 worth of goods, and when it was all said and done, they paid me $1.10. So I know it's not a lot, but I kept my streak going of probably over 50 times when I leave the grocery store, and I've been paid. So this is for the week of November 19th to November 24th, and I'm going to be trying to do this every week. I know I'm a little late today, a little late this week posting it, but you can do this deal all the way till Wednesday, November 24th. So please subscribe to my channel so you can do these deals. I got some pesto sauce, Rockstar, Mueller's pasta, spaghetti sauce, cat food. I got Arnicare gel. I got a bunch of Cabot cheese. I got Chobani yogurt. I got Wasa crackers. I got a protein drink. And as always, this was a kicker. This one made it me getting paid. This is a $50 Visa gift card. I used manufacturer coupons that I printed. I used manufacturer coupons from inserts. I used Ibotta, and I used Publix digital coupons. So all the links are in the details below on where to print the coupons and what insert they can. Here's everything we needed to make it happen. I got a lot of printables here, manufacturers here. I also have Ibotta and digital coupons. All the links are below, as you know. So as always, subscribe. That funny looking guy right here. Here's some more cool info right here. Coupons, sometimes it takes a little longer than usual, so if it's taking longer, make sure your car is charging.